Hello everyone. I'm sure you guys are doing your daily practices and today is the day 8 which is magic ingredient. So today we'll understand how to include magic of gratitude in all the ingredients of our life. So let's start. So in this picture you can see there's a glass where there's some liquid or food is kept on a plate, right? So what do we understand is today in this practice we need to add magic in all the ingredients of our life. That is, today, whatsoever you eat, whatsoever you drink, you need to add the magic of gratitude. So let's start and understand. There is a very famous saying that is, a thankful heart hath a continual feast. That is, if your heart is always thankful for everything around you, then your life will actually become a feast, an enjoyment, a celebration. Okay, so giving thanks for food before you eat is a tradition that has been followed for thousands of years, dating back to the ancient Egyptians. With the fast pace of life in the 21st century, taking the time to give thanks for a meal has more often than not been left behind. But using the simple act of eating and drinking as an opportunity to be grateful will increase the magic in your life exponentially. So it's a very old tradition where we thank for the food before we eat, okay, before we drink, because this is a very simple act, but it is an opportunity to feel blessed and grateful. Because if we acknowledge the person who made that food, to the food, because that is giving us our life, that is giving us energy. So if we thank the food that we eat before eating, it will actually change your life in an exponential way. If you think about a time when you were really hungry, you will remember that you could not think or function normally. Your body felt weak. You might have started to tremble. Your mind became confused and your feelings plummeted. Correct? So, जब भी we feel hungry, we feel like eating. ठीक है, अगर हमें खाना टाइम पे नहीं मिलता तो वी एक्चुअली स्टॉप फंक्शनिंग, हमें हेडेक होने लग जाता है, वी डोंट फील लाइक डूइंग एनीथिंग, वी गेट कंफ्यूज्ड एंड हमें समझ में नहीं आता कि बिफोर ईटिंग अपना माइंड वर्क ही नहीं करेगा, राइट? फूड इज सो इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर आवर लाइव्स, करेक्ट? एंड if you're fortunate enough to get food on time, if you're fortunate enough to get 3 times a meal, you should be grateful for that, right? Because there are many people who are not even getting that. So before you eat, you should always, bring gratitude in your life. कि हर समय हर बार when you start your meal, you should feel blessed. All of this can happen after not eating just for a few hours. You need food to live, to think, and to feel good. And so there's a great deal to be grateful for about food, correct? To feel even more gratitude for food, take a moment and think about all the people who contributed to you having food to eat. वो खाना बनने के लिए कितने सारे लोगों का कंट्रीब्यूशन है, उसके बारे में आपने कभी सोचा? For you to eat fresh fruit and vegetables, the growers had to plant and nurture the fruit and vegetables with continuous watering. Did we ever think about the farmers before we eat? Protecting them over many months until they were ready for harvesting. Then there are the pickers, the packers, the distributors, the transportation people who drive enormous distances day and night. All of them working together in perfect harmony to ensure कि आपके पास food and vegetable deliver हो जाए और fresh. And all throughout the year आपके पास available हो. तो उन सब में कितने सारे लोगों का contribution है? Did we ever sit and think about every one of them? Think about the meat growers, fishermen, dairy farmers, coffee and tea growers, and all the packaged food companies who work tirelessly to produce the food we eat. The world's food production is a breathtaking orchestration that takes place every day, and it's unfathomable that it all works when you think about the number of people involved in maintaining the foods. When you think about the number of people involved in maintaining the world's food and drink supplies to stores, restaurants, supermarkets, cafes, airplanes, schools, hospitals, and every home on the planet, there are so many people involved. So you should feel privileged if you're getting food readily available, right? Food is a gift. It's a gift of nature because there would be nothing for any of us to eat if nature didn't supply us with the soil, nutrients, and water to grow food. करेक्ट? तो नेचर इट्स अ नेचुरल प्रोसेस. तो ये किसने दिया? यूनिवर्स ने दिया, राइट? तो वी शुड बी थैंकफुल कि क्योंकि नेचुरल प्रोसेस से हमें खाना मिल रहा है, सॉइल, न्यूट्रिएंट्स अपने आप, वाटर फूड को ग्रो करता है, ये एक नेचुरल प्रोसेस है, राइट? विदाउट वाटर देयर वुड बी नो फूड, वेजिटेशन, एनिमल्स और ह्यूमन लाइफ. We use water to cook our meals, grow our food, maintain our gardens, supply our bathroom, sustain every vehicle, moves, support our hospitals, fuel, mining, manufacturing industries, enable transportation, make our roads, make clothes and every consumer product and appliances on the planet. Make plastic, glass and metal and make life-saving medications, build our homes, every other building and structure. तो water के बिना तो we cannot survive, right? और हर चीज water से connected है. Water keeps our bodies alive. Yes or no? पानी नहीं मिलेगा तो can you survive? No. So water, 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 glorious water, right? Did you ever sit and think about without water क्या होगा हमारा? Right? तो कितना fortunate and we should feel privileged that water is readily available to us. If there is magic on this planet, it is contained in water, right? And अपना body is also 60% made up of water. So just imagine water कितना important है अपने life में. Where would we be without food and water? We simply would not be here. None of our family, friends would be here. We would not have this day or any tomorrow. We are on this beautiful planet together, living life with its challenges and aesthetic joys because of nature's gift of food and water. Right? To say the simple magic words, thank you, before you eat or drink anything is an act of recognition, appreciation, gratitude for the miracle of food and water. बिना पानी, बिना खाना के हम लोग सर्वाइव नहीं कर सकते. तो एक सिंपल कुछ सेकेंड्स लगते हैं कि आप एक ग्रैटिट्यूड, एक एप्रिसिएशन फील करो, सोचो और बोलो. ये एक्ट करना जरूरी है. ओके? The incredible thing is that when you are grateful for food and water, it doesn't just affect your life. Your gratitude also impacts the world's supply. If enough people felt gratitude for food and water, it would actually help the people who are starving and in great need. By the law of attraction, Newton's law of action and reaction, the action of mass gratitude must produce an equal mass reaction, which would change the circumstances of scarcity of food and water for everyone on the planet. तो अगर आपको आज ठीक से सप्लाई मिल रहा है, अगर आप ग्रैटिट्यूड करोगे और आपके जैसे बहुत सारे लोग ग्रैटिट्यूड करेंगे, तो वो मासेस में उनके पास एनर्जी जाएगा जो एक्चुअली में ये चीज बना रहे हैं. एंड जब वो मासेस में उसके पास ग्रैटिट्यूड जाएगा तो अल्टीमेटली और प्रोडक्शन और सप्लाई करेगा, जो अल्टीमेटली जो लोग जिसको नहीं मिल रहा खाना, where there is scarcity of food and water, उन सबको भी मिलने लगेगा. तो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि हम अच्छा एनर्जी उनको दे जो हमें सब कुछ सप्लाई कर रहे हैं, राइट? एक भी एरिया डिस्टर्ब होते ही अपना पूरा सप्लाई डिस्टर्ब हो जाएगा, राइट? In addition, your gratitude for food and water keeps the magic continuing in your life, and it will weave its glorious golden thread through everything that is dear to you, everything that you love and everything that you are dreaming of. तो सब कुछ वहीं से connected है. Everything is connected through that only. तो अगर आप ये एक्ट स्टार्ट करोगे अपने लाइफ में तो वो मैजिक आपके लाइफ में भी एंटर करेगा. In ancient times, people believed that when they blessed their food and water with gratitude, it purified whatever they were blessing. And when you look at the theories and discoveries that quantum physics have made in recent times, such as the observer effect, the ancients may very well have been right. The observer effect in quantum physics refers to changes that the act of observation makes on whatever is being observed. Imagine if focusing gratitude on your food and drinks changed their energy structure and purified them so that everything you consumed had the ultimate effect of well-being on your body. Just imagine. अगर आप अपना एनर्जी, अपना फोकस फूड और ड्रिंक्स जो आपके पास पहुंच रहा है उसमें दोगे, अगर आप ग्रैटिट्यूड शो करोगे, तो जस्ट इमेजिन वो एनर्जी कितनी सारी चीजों को ठीक करेगा, प्यूरिफाई करेगा और जो भी आपका बॉडी कंज्यूम कर रहा है उसमें भी पॉजिटिव एनर्जी लाएगा. Right? So one of the ways to experience the magic of gratitude instantly with food and drinks is to really savor what you are eating or drinking. When you savor your food or drinks, you are appreciating them and being grateful. As an experiment, next time you are in the middle of eating food or drink any liquid, when you take a mouthful, concentrate on the taste of the food in your mouth or flavor of the liquid before you swallow it. Just feel the taste of it. You will find that when you focus on the food and drink in your mouth and savor it, the flavors seem to explode, and when you don't focus, the flavors weaken dramatically. It's your energy of focus and gratitude that instantly enhances the flavor. तो जब आप खा रहे हो, इसलिए बोलते हैं ना, टीवी देखते देखते खाना मत खाओ, क्योंकि आपका एनर्जी टीवी में जा रहा है, खाना में नहीं जा रहा। ना आपको पता चल रहा आप क्या खा रहे हो, ना आप उसको आपके ना आपको उसका फ्लेवर समझ में आ रहा है, ना आपको मजा आएगा खाना खा के। पर आपका पूरा कॉन्सेंट्रेशन अगर खाने में है, जो आप पी रहे हो उसमें है, तो आप देखना आप कितना एंजॉय करोगे, आपका बॉडी कितना एंजॉय करेगा, और उसका एनर्जी, वो फूड का एनर्जी राइट वे में आपके बॉडी को मिलेगा। सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप राइट एनर्जी और फोकस और ग्रेटिट्यूड अपने खाने को दो, बिकॉज इट विल एनहेंस द फ्लेवर ऑफ द फूड ऑल्सो. Before you drink or eat anything today, whether you are about to eat a meal or a piece of fruit or snack or have a drink of anything, including water, take a moment to look at what you are about to drink. सोचो, जब भी आज आपको पूरे दिन जो भी आप खाओगे, जो भी आप पियोगे, उसके ऊपर ध्यान देना है. ओके, प्रॉपरली अच्छे से ध्यान दे के आपको मैजिक वर्ड्स बोलना है. थैंक यू, बिकॉज यू आर फॉर्चुनेट इनफ टू गेट इट. And if you can, just take one mouthful, really savoring it, enjoying it, feeling it. It will not only increase your enjoyment, it will help you to feel far more gratitude. Okay? आज आपको ये चीज करना है. You can also try something like I do, which helps me to feel even more gratitude. When I say the magic words, I wave my fingers over the food or drink as though I'm sprinkling, you know, them with magic dust. तो जब भी आप खाते हो, ये चीज रोंडा बर्न करती है, जब भी वो खाते हैं अच्छे से एकदम मैजिक देती है, उसको स्प्रिंकल करती है मैजिक डस्ट विथ ऑल द पॉजिटिव एनर्जी टू इट. ओके, आई इमेजिन दैट द मैजिक डस्ट इंस्टेंटली प्यूरिफाइज everything it touches. Doing this has helped me really feel gratitude is the magic ingredient, and I want to add it to everything I eat and drink. तो आप sprinkle करते करते just be thankful to the things you are eating. If you find it more effective, you can imagine that you have a shaker of magic dust in your hand, and you are shaking out of the shaker all over your food before you eat and into every drink. Okay, तो अच्छे से शेक करके, it's just an imaginary thing that you are sprinkling magic into it. Okay, if at any time during the day you forget to say the magic words thank you before you eat or drink anything, as soon as you remember, just close your eyes, go back in your mind to the time when you forgot, and visualize the things you eat. Okay, visualize yourself in your mind for a second or two before you eat or drink, and say the magic words. If you forget to be grateful for food and drinks multiple times in the day, then repeat this practice tomorrow again. आप नेक्स्ट डे वापस से रिपीट करो, नेक्स्ट डे वापस से. यू कांट अफोर्ड टू मिस अ सिंगल डे इन बिल्डिंग योर ग्रेटिट्यूड. योर ड्रीम्स डिपेंड्स अपॉन इट. ये आपको लाइफस्टाइल में ही लेके आना है कि जब भी आप खाना खा रहे हो तो आप उसको एक एनर्जी दे रहे हो, एक मैजिक डस्ट दे रहे हो. बीइंग ग्रेटफुल फॉर द सिंपल थिंग्स इन लाइफ लाइक फूड एंड वाटर इज वन ऑफ द डीपेस्ट एक्सप्रेशंस ऑफ ग्रेटिट्यूड. ये तो बहुत सिंपल सी चीज है. एवरी डे हम लोग खाते हैं, एवरी डे हम लोग खाते हैं, एवरी डे हम लोग पीते हैं. जस्ट कुछ सेकेंड्स लगेगा खाने से पहले ग्रेटिट्यूड एक्सप्रेस करना है. When you can feel that degree of gratitude, you will see the magic happen. Trust me. अलग हो जाएगी आपकी लाइफ अगर आप ये अपने लाइफस्टाइल में इनकॉर्पोरेट कर लोगे तो. So today's magic practice number 8 is the magic ingredient. Magic ingredient, magic dust आपको आपके खाने में, आपके पीने में, सब जगह में लाना है. Okay? Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings जो आप लोग रोज कर रहे हैं. Why you are grateful? Reread those lines. And at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful as you are. Next, आपको आज पूरे दिन क्या करना? Before you eat or drink anything today, take a moment to look at what you are about to eat. सोचना अच्छे से, slowly, and in your mind or out loud, say the magic words thank you. If you want, you can sprinkle your food or drink with magic dust. आपके हाथ में imagine करो magic dust and आप sprinkle कर रहे हो. And the last thing is, before you go to sleep, take your magic rock in your hand and say, thank you for the best thing that has happened during the day. That's it. So today is the magic ingredient कि आप जो खाओगे, जो पियोगे, उसमें आपको एक gratitude express करना है, magic express करना, और try करो कि अपने life में ही इसको incorporate कर लो. Okay? So stay tuned for the next day, which is the money magnet. Okay? Thank you so much.